What's up, YouTube? Today, coming at you with no makeup on because I'm gonna do it for you guys. I've been doing makeup for like 4 or 5 months, so it's not the best, but it's pretty simple. I use cheap stuff. I'll go over what I do before I start doing the makeup. So, I use this like the eyelash like curler. I don't think I do it like exactly right, but it works. Like, you see the difference? So there we go. And then I usually put like some chapstick on. Gotta keep my lips nice because they really get so fucking dry. And this is just like a eye primer, because I don't do like primer. I probably should because my skin's kind of bad, but I just like get some on my finger, rub it in, then do this. It kind of keeps the eyeliner and eyeshadow a little, like it keeps it on there a little better. So now I can go ahead and start showing you what I use in the order that I use it. I don't know what I'm saying. So first, I wet the sponge. I got this little sponge. I'm just gonna wet that before I do anything else. Okay. So first thing that I use is this, like, I probably shouldn't, I know LA Girl isn't like a very good brand, but I just got it on Amazon. It's like this color corrector, because I don't know if you noticed, I shaved, and I'm not good at shaving, and 2, my facial hair grows pretty quick. So I use this color corrector just on the spots that it grows quick so it doesn't get as dark. So just like here, here, and then under my neck. And then this like e.l.f. concealer. Most of the stuff that I use is e.l.f. I just buy like all of my stuff at Walmart. And then after that I use this liquid blush. I think Shades by Shan. I think this is just something that I got on Amazon. I like the liquid foundation or the liquid blush more than the powder, but if the powder works better for you, then go for it. This is not a like be all end all tutorial. It's kind of just, if you see something that you like in here, take that away and you don't have to take everything. So after that, I just use this. I use this gel eyeliner, and I just do my waterline with it. And then after that, I use this e.l.f. liquid eyeliner. Okay, so after that I do my lips. This is like not a great, I don't even know what brand this is, this lip stain. Use a different one. That you can use like lip stain or whatever. It's really important to find like a color that fits you. I don't know if this one really does. I'm still figuring that stuff out, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I usually do my lips so my eyeliner has time to dry, because I like to do my eyeshadow after the eyeliner, just because I like the way it like makes it shine and look. I have these 2 different, I need to get different like eyeshadow, because these are like super old. There's like 1 or 2 in here that I like, and then there's like the black that I use is in here, because I just don't like buying new shit. But yeah, I do this after the lips so the eyeliner has a bit of time to dry. And then after that, the last thing I usually do is my mascara. This L'Oreal Telescopic. This is good stuff. I really like this. So yeah, now that we've looked at what all I use, let's go ahead and hit my vape. Oh, also another thing I do before is I moisturize my face. I don't always do that. I usually do this right after I get out of the shower. My hair's still wet, but I sat on the floor watching Instagram Reels for like 30 minutes. So, well, not 30, like 15. So, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize again. Just because I don't like my face feeling dry, and I don't think I used enough. And then it makes my skin really soft too, because I always put too much on my hands. I either do way too much or way too little. Okay, so we're going to start with this color corrector. If you don't have really facial hair, or if it's not an issue for you, you don't have to worry about this part. Yeah, you just kind of like squeeze some of it out. I think I do a little bit too much, but it usually isn't an issue because I use one side of, like, I use a different side of the sponge than I like blend my concealer with. So if you do use this, I think you're just like supposed to kind of get it to where you can just barely see the orange or the peach color. I think this is a peach. I don't know. I'm almost out. So yeah, it looks a little weird, but then that's why you put the foundation on it. So I usually put more foundation on this than anything else, because I don't want my face to be orange, you know? Yeah, I that's way too much. But what are you gonna do? You know, I'm new at makeup. And then I usually just put it all over, like, you know, like my acne and stuff. And then under my eyes, because I got crazy bags under my eyes. Because, you know, screen time. Okay. So now that's on there. It's time to blend. And then I usually don't even worry about my forehead anymore because I got bangs now. And honestly, yeah, if you actually, like, know how to do makeup and you see anything in this that I could be doing different, let me fucking know, because I'm still trying to figure this out. Hang on, wait a second. That is so much fucking better. I don't know why. God damn it. Okay. And I'm always just like really worried that I'm not going to get like all of the parts that I have the orange on. And then there's going to be like an orange spot. Okay, so I think that's about good. I don't normally do too much on my nose just because I have like some freckles on there and I think they're kind of cute. I just need to actually learn how to do like the fake freckles. I don't think it's too hard. I just don't have the right stuff for it. But yeah, you can already see the facial hair. You can still kind of see it a little bit, but it's a lot less noticeable. Okay, so now for the blush. Usually I think I have pretty good cheekbones, so I usually just kind of like, when I put it on, I don't think it's necessary, but I just kind of, on like days when I wake up and I'm having a bad day, it's so fucking annoying, like having to be in the mirror and being like, alright, there we go, and then sometimes I'll just kind of, see, I'm not the best. Okay, so what do we do after that? Waterline. So the waterline, I didn't really know how to do it for a long time. I had a lot of trouble. And I just watched a video and someone was just like, do that. I'm like, oh, duh. I'm a little further from this mirror than the one I usually do it in. Why don't I just do it in the fucking camera? Yeah, okay, I'm fucking this up like crazy. This is way harder than it should be. What the hell? Okay. Okay, yeah, I'm just gonna, hang on. This actually looks fucking creepy. There we go. Sorry about that, the eye thing. Okay. So next up, liquid eyeliner. I know this is kind of scary, and I'm still not great at it. Shit. Okay, I wish this tripod was taller. So I just kind of like look up, and then like look at this like crease, like first like where the crease ends. Then I just, there we go. Yeah, and then. Boom. Then you just color it in. This is so hard in this mirror because it's so far away. That's not bad. Not bad at all. Okay. And then just finish the rest out. Boom. Okay, I'm gonna go back in and make this a little darker when I do the other side. Because this is when I fuck up. When I do good on one side, then the other side is always fucking impossible. I can never get it right, and then I spend like way too long doing it. And then I end up just saying fuck it, and then people still compliment my makeup anyways. And I'm like, God damn it. Okay. I think it's a little longer, but who cares? That's okay. It's a little different, but then we can fix it. Okay, we can try to even them out. Okay, so this one's definitely thicker. I'm gonna go ahead and just make this one thicker too. Okay, they are pretty different. It's okay though. Who fucking cares? That's what I'm saying. Like with this stuff, I've really started to realize that nobody's gonna notice if they're a little off. And I say that and I go and start fucking with it and then I mess it up. Yeah, I just messed it up a little bit, but it's not on the wing, so it doesn't matter. It's gonna be easy to fix. Also, that's why I like doing the eyeshadow after, because even if it, you know, looks a little messy, you're gonna be putting shit over it anyways. I'm gonna go ahead and go over and darken these a little bit. Okay. Yeah, that's good. Alright, so now while we wait for that to dry, I just got a notification that Hades 2 is now available on the PS5. Okay. Fuck, I wanna make more videos today, but I wanna play that. Okay, I'm gonna do my lips. So this should take so many fucking layers and it takes so long to dry. So I'm gonna hit my vape before I do that, so you know I'm not left hanging. Alright, that should hold me over. Yeah, this shit sucks. I don't know how the lips are like the hardest thing for me. I think I'm just running out of it too. But I do like that this one isn't too dark. I kind of like that some of the red still comes through. I usually just use my fingers for this, but honestly the Q-tip's working a lot better. Fuck. Dadgummit. I'm never happy with how it looks. I really am not. I need to get new shit bad. It'll do. It'll fucking do. Okay. Oh, where's my... Okay. If I can grab it. So this is... I just use this little like angle brush. No, okay. So there's not anything else on it. So usually what I start with is... this like... kind of brownish, I don't even know, like this brownish gray. I like to put that on first, just like kind of as a base. So, and then since I have hooded eyes, I have to put a shit ton more on and put it up here. And I feel like it makes a little bit of a difference. It'll make a lot more difference when I put the black on. And yeah, I'm running out fast since I discovered that it makes it look a little better doing that, because I use so much more. Okay, so there's that. So that's the black. The black, you really, I really am careful with it, because, you know, I don't want it to, like, just be pitch black. I need to get like a gray eyeshadow. Boom. And then usually I just try to keep this like closer to the wing. And I just like tap really lightly. And I bring it up a little bit. Okay, that was a little too much. Okay, I'm fucking it up now. Yeah, I fucked it up. What have I done? What have I done? It's this part right here. That's not too bad. I think it'll look better when I do a little bit under as well. Okay, so I think that's good. Not great, but what are you gonna do? Okay. Now I gotta just do the fucking other side. And also I'm like fucking starving. I have not eaten today. Probably should have done that first, but oh well. And then now, yeah, I'm gonna have to go over the eyeliner again. Alright, that one's a little better. I'm definitely gonna have to like do what I did with the Q-tip again. Alright, yeah. Going back in with the Q-tip. Oh, fuck. I'm actually making it so much worse. Oh, shit. Could be better, but you know what? I don't care. Yeah, like I said, I'm new to this, okay? Give me a fucking break. Okay, so, yeah, we're almost done. Last thing, mascara, and then I didn't bring my setting spray or whatever down, so I'm gonna have to go grab that. Yeah, this is good stuff. And then on the bottom, you have to be really light. There we go. Another dip for the other eye. Oh, shit, my hair. I really should be tying my hair back. All right. Now hang on, I'm gonna pause the recording, go upstairs, grab my other thing, be back. Alright, so yet again, another e.l.f. product, yeah, setting spray. God, I feel like, okay, stepping back, my face definitely is orange. I put too much of the shit on. God damn it. Whatever, you know what not to do. And then you kind of want to wait for this mascara to dry a little bit before you do that, because if it's wet, it will get on there. Okay. Well. Other than the orange hue, I don't think I did too bad. Okay, so yeah, that was my makeup tutorial. I hope you liked it. I hope you learned something. I'm not sure if you did because, you know, I'm still learning. But shout out makeup, shout out Fard Nation. You guys, I love you all. Stay awesome, stay informed. This is my vlog outro, but I'm gonna do it here. Stay awesome, stay gay, stay farting, stay everything. Do you. I love you guys. Fart Drinker, signing out.